Don't tell anybody, but I still have the sticker on the Leo necklace. Don't tell nobody. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine Nicole Cogdell, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 pieces that I got from Louisa. These are all things that represent my love for myself. First of all, I've been a hoop girl for as long as I can remember, so I'm so excited that they have these in gold. This is my 3rd sponsorship from them, and I'm truly grateful. They have sent me the Jolene earrings, the Leo necklace in honor of my zodiac sign, as well as a jade necklace. Their pieces range from anywhere from $39 on up, so they have something available for everybody. Louisa offers high quality jewelry at affordable pricing. Each design is unique and meant to make you feel empowered, elegant, and at your finest. They are carbon neutral from their products as well as their packaging. They were established in 2018. They have over 25,000 5-star reviews and millions of happy customers all over the world. They do ship internationally. If you'd like to take advantage of their Valentine's Day sale, which is buy one, get one 50% off, you can use the link in my description box. And if you are watching this after Valentine's Day, you can use my code JasmineNicole20 to get 20% off any purchase. Happy New Year, everybody. I'm pretty sure this is my first chit chat video for the new year. Happy 2023 to each of you. I hope it's been a great year for you so far. For those of you that don't know, I am a self-love master life coach. So I'm sharing with you 3 things that I have done in the year of our Lord 2023 to help me love myself more, as well as how I will be spending Valentine's Day. So let's get real. Last time you saw me on a chit chat video, it was last year, and I was talking about my battle with seasonal depression. Well, I'm happy to say that I'm in a much better place, and it's truly because of the steps that I've been taking. So, number 1, in honor of our sponsor, we are going to learn how to romanticize our life. Every single week, I'm buying myself flowers just because I like flowers, and I feel like romanticizing your life means adding more things that you truly like in it. It doesn't have to be expensive if that's not something that you can't afford right now. Consider reevaluating your budget. Where are you spending money? Are you spending money on things that truly make you happy? If flowers make you happy, if going out to dinner makes you happy, whatever it is that makes you happy, I think you should do more of that. And that is how you romanticize your life. For me, I'm following the girlies on TikTok and I'm organizing my home and decluttering. Honestly, decluttering has become my favorite self-care activity. It's a therapeutic process for me because I'm letting go of who I once was and being okay with that. I am letting go of old things so that I can open the door for new things to come into my life. TikTok has become my new favorite social media platform because of the aesthetic. And I know sometimes things are staged, but also I've found that when you live your life in the same manner, or you learn from people that you see on social media, you can romanticize your life as well. So for my 30th birthday, I remember buying some flowers, running myself a bubble bath, and putting flower petals inside of my bath, and not just waiting for somebody else to do that for me. Self-love applies whether you are married, single, or in a relationship. We all need to learn how to love ourselves. Though there are other people that we do enjoy spending time with, and there may be somebody that you're spending Valentine's Day with, it is important to learn that you are the master of your own happiness. You hold the key to your happiness. And in the same token, learning how to love and care for yourself teaches other people how to treat you. If you do not love or care about yourself, you will allow other people in your life to mistreat you, to inflict upon your boundaries, and treat you honestly the way that you treat yourself. That is why it is imperative to learn how to love yourself, whether you are currently in a relationship or hoping to be in one or have no intentions of being in one. Learning how to find joy in your own company, top tier. Secondly, I put my life on Do Not Disturb. Not only has my phone been on Do Not Disturb every single day for I don't know how long now, my life is also on Do Not Disturb. I had a horrible habit of putting everybody and everything before myself, and it was taking a toll on me. It made sense for me to be depressed because I wasn't taking care of myself. It is crazy that I have a whole business centered around self-love, self-care, and I wasn't doing it. It happens to the best of us. It can happen to anybody. So I took measures to change that. Instead of dropping everything that I needed to do to go take care of somebody else, I dropped everything and everybody else to take care of myself. Now, granted, I am a single woman, so if you have kids or other obligations, you are a caregiver, your situation may be a little bit different, but still, do not take this moment for granted. There are still places in your schedule where you could reevaluate how you can add in a little self-care time for yourself, because you can't take care of others if you don't know how to properly take care of yourself. Being booked and busy is bad, okay? Let me tell you why. If you are so booked and busy that you can't take care of yourself, are you really living your best life? Are you filling up your schedule to fill a void that you have in your heart? Is it that you're trying to stay busy with people and other things so that you don't have to deal with yourself? Part of loving yourself is accepting yourself, flaws and all. Like, hey, I do not do everything perfectly, but learning how to give myself grace has actually helped me to be able to make so much more progress than beating myself up ever had. And finally, discipline. Discipline has become my new best friend. By living more intentionally, I'm working on creating schedules as well as routines that are not centered around other people, but a schedule that is centered around what is best for me. What is best for me today may be different tomorrow, and you have to learn how to be able to ebb and flow with that. But it is imperative for me to schedule in my self-care because I am quickly to burn out. Booked and busy equals booked and burned out. What discipline looks like for me is creating habits of the woman I aspire to be. So that means cooking. That was something that I avoided at all cost previously. I was a takeout queen, as well as I've even paid for meal prep services. Now I'm cooking my own food, and I only ate out once or twice last week. That's phenomenal. And that's only because I was out and about and I was starting to get lightheaded. So it was imperative that I got some food in my system. To go hand in hand with my cooking, let's talk about exercising. So I have been on a weight loss journey for a long periodically time. I've been an exercise instructor. I used to work out religiously. I've fallen off the wagon. I've gotten back on the wagon. I've been consistent. I've been inconsistent. And self-love is truly learning how to accept. That is just where my journey has been. It is not a reflection or an indicator of where I'm going to go. It does not mean that I need to love myself more at a certain size than I do at another one. But self-love is also taking accountability and not making excuses for myself. I have been so busy to the point that I've allowed myself to gain a significant amount of weight, and that has not been healthy for me. So in order to do that, though it feels like I've tried everything under the sun to lose weight, I am being honest with myself, like, hey, where can we be better? What is something that we were doing that is not producing the results that we want? And honestly, that goes for any area of my life. I've truly been reevaluating, like, hey, Jasmine, you say that you've done everything, but have you really? Or if you've done everything, can we admit that something's not working? If you're feeling burnt out, if you are gaining a ton of weight, if you are unhappy, if you're depressed, can we evaluate that something is not right? Now, I will say that feeling down, feeling depressed is a natural part of life. Life has ebbs and flows, ups and downs, highs and lows, peaks and valleys, and you have to be able to learn how to go with the punches. And it's okay to have an off day, an off week, or even an off month, as long as we don't stay there. So listen to your body, learn how to listen and understand when something is not going right. So I realized when I started saying that I felt depressed, something was not right. So I took a step back and I said, how can we fix this? How can we change this? There are some things that are out of my control, like the death of a loved one, but how I choose to respond to that is my responsibility. So being honest with yourself is a part of learning how to love yourself, as well as finding your balance with being gentle with yourself. I didn't go to the gym today, and that's perfectly okay. Today is my first rest day of the week, and tomorrow I'll get back in the gym. I'm not going to feel like a failure because I didn't go to the gym today. I'm not a failure if I ordered takeout once or twice last week. It's about consistently working on being a better version of myself, and ultimately all of these things will be a part of my lifestyle, and what once was a chore to do will now be an atomic habit. So I've learned to exercise not because I hate my body, but because I love my body, because I am grateful for what my body does for me each and every single day. No matter what I have done to my body, no matter how many times I've pulled all-nighters knowing I need to be going to sleep, no matter how much junk food I've put in my body, no matter what I have done, no matter how many times I've stressed, knowing it is horrible for my health, my body still gets up every single day and it performs for me to the best of its ability. So I want to pour back into it by learning how to take breaks, by learning how to work on a bedtime, work on a consistent schedule, work on exercising, work on eating healthier foods, staying hydrated, doing my skincare routine, washing and detangling my hair, because curly girls, we know this is a full-time job every single day. But doing what I know needs to be done so that I could have the things that I desire to have in this life and be who I desire to be. It is up to me to make changes in my life. If I'm not happy with something in my life, then it is up to me to change it and to believe that it is possible for things to get better and for them to change. Valentine's Day can be a sensitive topic for those of us that are single, but it doesn't have to be. I've learned that being miserable is a choice. I know, who would have thought? But it really is a choice. So I have chosen to learn how to love myself. And it's not because I don't have somebody else to love me. I have plenty of people that love me, but nobody can do the job that Jasmine has been assigned to do. Nobody can take the place of your own self-love. So whether you're married, you're in a relationship, or you're single, it is imperative that you learn how to love yourself. I think a lot of people make the mistake in believing that somebody else can make them happy. You can enjoy somebody's company and you can have great times with them. But if you are unhappy, that is solely your responsibility to change that. So how I romanticize my life, how I put my life on Do Not Disturb, how I teach myself discipline may look different for me than it does for you. I hope that this video can be a blessing to you and help you to reevaluate where you can love yourself more in your life as well. So currently I'm reading Atomic Habits and I'm excited about the positive, good habits that it's going to teach me so that I can be the woman I always hoped I would be. As a self-love life coach, I am just as much on the journey as anybody else. My self-love looks so much different now than it did 3 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, even last year. What worked for me then may not work for me now, and I'm okay with that. Again, learning how to ebb and flow, go with what's best for you where you currently are right now. So I want to encourage you, listen to affirmations, look your best. Feel your best. Do whatever it takes to help you feel your best and to help you look your best. Discipline is for you, not for anybody else. If you truly love yourself, you will learn how to hold yourself accountable. Be your own accountability buddy. Romanticize your life. Reward yourself every now and then. Give yourself a break, okay? We're not robots. We're not designed to always be doing all the time. Work on living a healthier and balanced life. What that looks like for me may be different for you, but I encourage you to work on those things so that you can truly work on loving yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you have the most amazing Valentine's Day of your life. Don't forget to take advantage of the Valentine's Day sale if you love yourself the way that I'm learning to love myself. You will take advantage of this sale. Click the link in the description box down below. If you're watching this after Valentine's Day, Jasmine Nicole 20 will be your best friend for a 20% off discount code. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much for 472 subscribers. Started from the bottom, now we're here. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.